Hi, this is Tarun, your dear host. Welcome back to Wagmaster. Today we have this vRS230. I would say a very special build for me, converting it from a front wheel drive to an all wheel drive. The use of all wheel drive is for us is completely on drag race. So yes, I am going to document the whole process. I don't know if someone in the world is already done or we are the first, but this is our way to document the whole build and the whole process to do from a front wheel drive to an all wheel drive conversion with all parts being bolt on. And we also have one more person, Valen.
Hey guys, this is Valen. You may know me as Professor D Piston, and I'll be helping Tarun in documenting the entire build of this vRS230. We're gonna do the all-wheel drive conversion for this vRS230. I mean, yeah, everyone loves VRS, and we have seen it using in the tracks, we have seen it using in the drag races. So this all-wheel drive is also for the drag race. Yeah. So let's go ahead and see
showcase all the parts.
Yeah, showcase all the parts.
So as you can see, these are all the parts we need. I mean, there are a lot of parts. I don't know from where to start from. There are a lot of hardware needed, new mounts, cooling pipes, a new fuel pump, the heat shield, the rear knuckles, the ARB bar, the selector cable, lot of other parts. Yes, I have to showcase a lot of parts. So yes, there are other new parts and old parts that we have bought for the car. A few parts are used from an Audi S3 and a Golf R, the gearbox and the Haldex. The rest are almost all brand new, ordered from Skoda and Audi just to procure all this. So you can see a lot more parts lined up here. There is a new fuel tank from Audi. Basically, it's a split fuel tank to help us accommodate, the rear axle and all that. So this is a new rear Haldex axle, the new rear drive shaft. Basically, it's not new, it's all used from Audi S3. And yes, we are still waiting for our front gearbox with, DQ381 from a Golf R. It will be here in next 7 to 15 working days. So hopefully we get it and we will document the whole process of doing all this.
So I know all-wheel drive conversion is very complicated. So how confident you are, that you will be able to pull this off?
I would say, 10 out of 10. The reason being, we have already done an all-wheel drive conversion in Chennai. Sharan has done it on a Octavia 1.8. Our full rear axle is fully out. That's the stock rear axle. Now we are removing the fuel tank. All the lines, whatever is needed from here is all dismantled. Now we are going to remove the old fuel tank, and then we are going to compare it with the new fuel tank and compare and see where bolts have to be matched and what bolts have to go in. So once that's done, we will remove the fuel tank. So the old fuel tank is out. So you can see this is a single fuel tank where the fuel is stored. Now we are installing test fitting to see if the new fuel tank will fit. So this is a split fuel tank. You can see it has space to accommodate a propeller shaft in between. So we're just test fitting to see all the holes are matching or if we can mount it directly. Do follow us for more updates on our build, and we will also take you throughout this journey. So see you guys in the next series. Tata, bye bye. Thank you.